Just made 40 bucks. Quite the task getting here versus normally, as you see how quick I get home. It's only like 7 to 10 minutes each way. A little longer going back, it's all uphill, but coming this way, it's all downhill. I dropped this, I didn't want to pick it up because the bag it came out of had a hole in it. I should have picked it up from the bottom. But oh well. Hello. Grumpy. Should have checked all the bags before I left my house. One or two of them had holes, but one of them was the worst. I had to hold it on my handlebars because the hole was like in the middle and I couldn't really tie it, so I'd like awkwardly hold it right here. So I did a lot of walking and riding, just switching off. Since it is downhill, it's kind of awkward dealing with that. So I walked when I had to and rode when I could. It was comfortable enough. But then my left hand started seizing when I was approaching that intersection I was going through, so I had to switch. And that's why I lost that can. Because I switched it from my left hand to my right hand, not knowing my front wheel had started a few holes in it, big enough for stuff to fall out. But I think it only fell because I was wiggling, moving from hand to hand. One side kept it stationary, the rest of the way up the hill it was alright. I was down since I was so close, it was alright. Half a block to block. Headed up a little hill to get there. Gotta go on a mission later in a few hours to get a free bike. There's no way to get there by bus easily. I think that's my postman, looks like him. Took forever though to, once I got there, compared to normally. They had 10 bags, 9.5 bags. Somewhere between 9 and 9.5. I forgot. And I even had to put a bunch of cans in my backpack because of the holy bag, one in the front. So, but I forgot. I didn't want to, I was lazy, I just put one bag inside of another. So this is just 9 bags. Because together, I think they would have made a full bag. It was just easier because I was in a rush. I also found out before I left, they changed their hours. Now they're open 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then closed from 1 to 12 to 1, I think it is, and then they're open till 3, 2 to 3, something like that. Used to be open at 10 to 1, then 1 to 2 they were closed, then they're open at 2 to 4:30. So I could have got there sooner. I always check the hours. but that was in the last couple weeks. Yeah, I went there like a month ago ish. Went there like 3 to 6 weeks ago. Oddly, I think everything, or the bulk majority, was just bottles and cans from my house. I don't think anything is from me picking it up, because I only haven't lately. Maybe a couple items here or there. And now I gotta fix my trailer, because picking up the dip station on Sunday, it messed up the front and back, which only matters if it's something I can't tie down. Both the little fabric areas where you attach the top to, both of the arm thingy with that has the little helmet like clasp, they broke. Wasn't surprised. Almost only 6 minutes. Really punched it. Almost 7 minutes. Guess it's the short one. I was gonna do some wally gagging, but apparently decided not to. Alright, like, share, subscribe. Since I uploaded the video, I might come back later to add to this video. If not, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, I'm back again. I lost the adapter to one of my dead Allen socket wrenches, so now I'm gonna have to go back and see if I can find it. So I figured I'd get some more footage to add to the other part of the video. Hopefully it's not too far away. Took everything out of my pockets, and it wasn't there. It's because I was dumb. For whatever reason, I decided to leave the wrench hanging out of my pocket, in my back pocket, with the adapter extensions facing the ground. So I wasn't very surprised. Hopefully they fall one of the spots for the recycling. Don't want to go back there, even though it's close. Don't want to get a nuisance. Didn't hear it, so that's why I wasn't in the way, obviously. I'm hoping it happened when I stopped maybe here. Stop there. So stop around the corner. Two corners. Tell me if you see it. Well. Guess I'm gonna have to come up this way too. Again, just to see if I don't find it. Going the route I took there. Not there, not there. Stop here. Did drop a can there. Box there. That's so many bags. You can see. Had to stop here. Exit over here. Alright. Had to stop again down the street. down here. Had to get off and resituate the stack. Mostly because the one I mentioned that was on my handlebars and in my hand. Dropped it. Could be right now, but I'll let it leave. Alright. Since it's not that far of a journey, here, might as well look, since it's not mine. I mean, it was mine, but it's my dad's, so, you know. Might as well put the effort. Go for another look later. Thinking probably fell off when I sat down, but I might could have fallen off at any time, but it seems like that would make most sense to me versus when I was walking, but you never know. Could have been loose enough. But since soccer range, probably not, so you never know. As well. Don't see anything. Might be a fruitless effort, but like I said, it's not that far, so I can get some more footage. Because I know you care so much. I was hoping before I left, well, pieces are chrome, maybe easy to see, but maybe not. So, it's pretty bright out. Not super bright, but not gloomy. Bright enough, at least. You might say. Do some bicycle magnet fishing globe. Aha! Eureka! You had success. Now I can go home. Wonderful. I was hoping it would be worth it. Unlike most times I ride my bike, I knew the way I went due to it being so close to my house. Oop. Like, share, subscribe. Again, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, check out my other videos. See you later. Bye.